Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And today I am here with you to answer another question that I received on my LinkedIn profile. And the question is, hello Mr. Costa, I would like to ask you about PSV configuration. So engineers choose two PSVs, each one 50%. And others choose two PSVs, but in this case, one is in standby. Could you explain to me which criteria is applied to choose the configurations? Best regard. So here we have two different situations talking about pressure relief devices. And pressure relief devices can be PSVs, rupture discs, and etc. So when we choose more than one PSV to be installed in our equipment, we are considering that just one PSV is not able to handle the required flow, or we have different scenarios, and because of the scenario 1 and scenario 2, we have different relief loads, and the second PSV is to add the additional flow required from one of the scenarios. So in this way, not necessarily two PSVs installed in a vessel, for instance, will have 50% each. It will depend on the scenario and the flow rate required for the situation. The other situation that was mentioned in the question is about two PSVs, but in this case, one of them is standby. We do this kind of arrangement when we need to increase the availability of the system. What is the availability of the system? Is the time that the equipment is able to operate. So in many cases, or usually, we have a maintenance plan to do the recalibration or the maintenance of the PSV. And to do that, we need to remove the pressure relief device from the equipment. And you are not supposed to operate one equipment that needs a pressure relief device without the pressure relief device. So because of that, to not stop the operations, what we can consider is adding a second PSV, and in many cases we use a diverter valve to select which one of the PSVs will be aligned to the operations, will be responsible for relieving the pressure if needed, and the other one will be isolated. So the pressure relief device that is isolated can be removed from the system because the equipment is already protected, is still protected, and do the maintenance, do the recalibration, do whatever must be done without stopping the operation. And once the maintenance is done, we can reinstall the pressure relief device in the equipment. So this way, in this question, we have different scenarios or different situations where we need more than one pressure relief device to handle the flow of the scenario that was considered, the safety scenario considered, and another situation for increasing the availability of the system. If you want to know more about pressure relief devices and how to use them, you can take a look in my YouTube channel that there is an overview of rupture discs and how to use the pressure relief devices. Was this video useful for you? Let me know in the comments and share it with other chemical process engineers around the world. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.